In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create database in AppSheet. We'll start right at the AppSheet homepage. Open your browser and head to the AppSheet site, then sign in with the account you use for your projects. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Create button near the top. Click it, and from the Creation options, choose Database. This tells AppSheet you want to set up structured data that your apps can use right away. From here, you have two paths. If you already have data sitting in a spreadsheet, choose the option to import from Sheets. This is perfect when your columns and headers are already organized. Select the spreadsheet you want, choose the specific sheet tabs that should become tables, and let AppSheet infer the structure. Your headers will become columns, and AppSheet will guess data types like text, numbers, dates, and yes, no. A quick tip: make sure your first row in the spreadsheet contains clean, consistent headers before importing. Avoid merge cells and blank header names to get the best results. If you don't have a sheet ready, or you want full control from scratch, click New Database. Give your database a clear, descriptive name, then add your first table. Define the columns you need and choose the right data types for each one. For example, use text for names, number for quantities, date and time for scheduling, and enum for standardized choices. It's also a good idea to set a primary key column that uniquely identifies each row. An automatically generated unique ID works great for this. You can add created on and updated on timestamp columns if you want to track changes later. With your tables in place, customize your database to suit your workflow. Rename columns for clarity, set which fields are required, add default values to speed up data entry, and include simple validations to prevent mistakes, like ensuring numbers are positive or emails follow a standard format. If your data spans multiple tables, you can establish references to relate them, such as linking orders to customers. This keeps your information consistent and easier to query. As you customize, use preview tools to confirm that your columns, types, and relationships look right. Small adjustments now save time later when you build the app interface. When everything looks good, you're ready to use this database as the backbone of your AppSheet app. AppSheet will automatically wire it into forms, lists, and views so you can start testing immediately. That's it. You've gone from the home page to a fully customized database ready to power your app in AppSheet.